Hello everybody and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. How are y'all getting on? If you're new here to my channel, because I see some of you are, hi, how are you? My name is Martella Carrick and on my channel we budget, we garden, we do makeup, all trying to live our best lives and be financially free. So if you are new here, which I see that some of you are, don't forget to tune in every Monday for Makeup Monday, Vlog on Friday and Cash Stuffing Sunday. And we're also going to be adding a new one in the summer. It's called Welly Wednesday, where we start going around the garden, doing a little bit, planting some new things and redecorating my garden, and you can see what I do and how I do it. If that's something you are interested in, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. So guys, yes, another week for cash stuff. And how are you all getting on? Today's budget, we're doing a 300 one because, well, I haven't done a 300 one in a while. So let's just get her ready there and see how much do we actually have. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. These are so plasticky, they literally feel like they could snap. So that's 80 in there. 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3. So that is 300 smackerinos. Lads, are any of you finding it like difficult this time round? I don't think 300 is going to cut it for very long for me at all. Now, I have my budget all written out here as to where everything is going, so let's hope I can actually keep to it. I have been finding it a little bit tricky to keep to the budget lately. It's getting tight, not going to lie. Now, we're doing food shopping in the morning, so I didn't get a chance to do it last week at all. It was just so bloody mental. So, as usual, 50 quid is going for food. And with that then I will have 100. Hopefully I'll have some change out of that because I have actually no change for the penny saving challenge tonight, lads. None at all. So what can you do, sure. Now hold on, there's 2 tenors here. I may as well take them out and put them in here, and we'll put back in, put back in 20 because you know I'll be looking for tenors later on down the line. Right, what else are we on? Childcare is getting 50. Is water getting anything? Water's getting 40, so let's put that in. I should really do them in some sort of an order. Okay, council tax, the bane of my life. This one is also getting 50. Can you see I don't find the guts 300 quid going? I have to pay that this week. I'm actually late by a week. And you know what they're like, they'll be on your tail looking for it. Right, council tax, water. Fuel, is fuel getting anything? Nope, fuel's not getting anything this week. I actually have 30 in it anyhow, so I'm doing alright. Very is not getting anything. Oh dear God. Childcare is getting 50. I need to pay this. Another bill's after coming in. I know these bills come in hard quick and they drive me crazy, but sure look. Oh, holy moly. The life of a mama, eh? Right. Sports is not getting any. What? Okay. Well, at least I have some in it anyway. Gas and lecky. Is it getting anything either? What's going on here? I clearly had this done before. Well, before I knew these were needing it. Okay, so is Argos getting anything? Argos is getting a tenner. How kind of me. How kind of me to budget for a tenner for Argos. But for nothing else. Great. Right. Right, into sinking funds. That seems to be getting a lot. Ooh, 55 into the challenge. Oh, who are you? 55 into a challenge. Do I have a 55? I probably do. We do have a lot of 55s. Okay. Do we have a 55 to go in? Holy moly. Where do I think I'm going half the time with this? Now, hold on. We need a 5 or somewhere along the line. We'll come back to the challenge. Okay, so 10. Is the holiday getting anything? Hold on. Holiday is getting a tenner. Now, one of my subscribers, Lucy Luxor, gave me these lovely little things, these little budgeting sheets. I haven't started using them yet because I just can't afford 25 quid a week to put into it, but I do intend on using it. I really do. The house is getting a tenner as well. Well, at least that's getting something. I know I haven't updated that one in a while. Now, I wonder if there's only 5ers in there. I do doubt it. No, there's nothing in there. I need to actually check and see what is in that. The house, the holiday, insurance getting anything? Oh, insurance getting a tenner. Yes, please. With that. And I have 50 in there so far, not too bad. Birthdays is getting a £5. Okay, so I can take that £5 out. Birthdays getting a £5, and we put in a £10. Thank you very much. I need to actually start getting some £5s together. Christmas. Where are we going? It's getting a £10. As long as these things are getting something, you know, don't feel too bad. Emergency fund isn't getting anything. Date night never gets anything. Clothes and shoes never get anything. Medical fund isn't getting anything. Back to school ain't getting nothing. Filler getting nothing. Haven't even got filler yet, but I do want to, so it's going to be put in for. So we should have 55 here to put into the challenge. Oh God, look at that, right down to the wire. 55 for the challenge to get me to 1,000. Isn't that fabulous now? That is just fabulous. Right, so there we go, 55 into the challenge. Don't forget to update your penny saving tracker or whatever way you're tracking your spends on this one. So I'll just use a green marker for today because well no, I do. I have to find a pen. There's a pen around here somewhere. There's always pens in this house. There we go. Mrs. McGonagall, you'll do the job. Right, 55. Oh, look at that. I nearly have the top line done. Oh, 55. Don't forget to update your piggy bank tracker or whatever app you're using to save your money. And I have no penny saving challenge this week because, well, I haven't been spending anything and I ain't got no pennies to put into it. So, yeah. My penny saving tracker though is going to thank me mahoosively because I've got a nice chunk in there now. We're nearly done, lads. Look at that, lad. If I do 45 next week, 55 the week after that, I have 2 rows done nearly. Well, 3. We'll get that one done soon. I always find the 55s are the hardest, but that is fierce good. Now let's cross this one off. So that one's now done. And yeah, the next one hopefully will be a 250. And then we do a 300 and a 300. And I think by this rate, I'm kind of going at 300 now for the rest of the way. And don't you love it how my kids just like to colour in my stuff? But I like to do them like this so that I have them done in advance, so I know what I'm doing to some degree. But yeah, that's where we're at. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. Again, another very short and sweet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. The cash stuffing is looking nice. When I'm finished with this, I have no idea what I'm going to spend it on. I might just save it and go again for another challenge, but this time maybe get rid of this one and actually use the one that my friend Lucy Luxor gave me. She gave me this lovely little one back here. Where is it? The Save 1000. See this? And it just looks so much neater, and you just colour in the little bits as you go, which is a lot nicer than my one. And then there's a Save 500 one. I might try that one as well. Maybe when I do the Save 1000 I might try the 500 then after that, and then do the 1000 one then after that. Kind of rotate them so it's not too boring and I don't get kind of tired out from trying to save money. So yeah, let's see how we get on. We're nearly there. I'm so happy. We're nearly there. Right here, folks. I'm going to love yous and leave yous because I have to edit this video and get it up for yous all for tomorrow morning, which will be Sunday. And I shall talk to you real soon. Thanks a million for watching, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I love you lots. Bye. Mwah.